All right, good evening. Here is Shomen in its latest update. You can see here that I've finished the face and the kanji has been attached. So next up really is just a matter of removing a lot of the debris, rounding off certain areas that I want done, sanding, getting everything just right. I will continue to work on this guy's face a little bit and also work out somewhere like, the fingernails and remove some of the harder edges. I will clean up some of the other areas that need it, make this into fabric rather than just a block here. Fix the ear, his face. For the most part, the background is pretty much done. I got the tatami mats in. Maybe clean this up a little bit here. It's a little thick. Got a minute on here. Sand a little bit more at the edges of everything. Do some back cuts, I suppose, on the arms and the forearms and the shoulders. I'm gonna cut under here as well. Try to get some light to come from the top and go down into here. I'm not sure how much I've got back here to work with, but I'm gonna try to do that. For the most part, it's really just buttoning up, working a little fine detail, cleaning up a little bit of the hair and so on. He's got some hair down here I've got to work with. Maybe put a little more effort into the foot here. Ask the owner what he wants to do with this Japanese character up here. So that might just be done. Who knows? And then clean up the kanji as well. Some of these are not so pretty, a little bit rough. Sand it down a bit. Clean up some of these lines so they're not obvious cut marks and so on. This NSW needs to be cleaned and fixed. You can also see that I've dowel pinned it in 2 areas on both sets. Additionally, I have to put in the shadow and some small amount of color as well. So for the most part, it's pretty locked in and certainly roughed out and mostly complete. I'll just need to do a few things that I just mentioned. And then at that stage, we'll be on to shadowing and color. All right, thanks.